almost ready to start baking those pumpkin pies, and you have no pumpkin pie spice. I've got you covered. Pumpkin pie spice is basically spices that you probably already have in your pantry. It's so expensive to buy it at the grocery store, so we're going to make it ourselves. All you need are these 5 ingredients: cinnamon, ginger, nutmeg, allspice, and cloves, and a container to put them in. I just happen to be out of pumpkin spice, so this is a good time for me to make it myself. So we need 3 tablespoons of cinnamon. And I'm using my funnel because I always make a mess. I'm just going to help this along. 2 teaspoons of ginger. And I think that's all I have left really in this container. 2 teaspoons of nutmeg. Leave it to me to not have a big enough container. It always happens. Now we need 1.5 teaspoons of allspice. 1 teaspoon. Now we need 1/2 teaspoon. Now we need 1.5 teaspoons of clove. So here's our container of pumpkin pie spice. You see it filled up very nicely. And I want to smell this. Smells like pumpkin. Well, thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please leave me a comment. I love hearing from you. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing. I love to have you. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.